Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play COD Mobile on PC. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. Now search for Gameloop and click on the first result, gameloop.com. Once you're on the site, just click the download button in the top right corner. This will download the installer. When it's finished, open it up, hit yes, and then click install. After installation, press start to launch Gameloop. When Gameloop opens, use the search bar at the top and type in Call of Duty Mobile. Then select it from the list. Then click the install button. You'll see the download progress in the top right corner. Since COD Mobile is a large game, it may take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Then, once the download and installation are complete, go to the library inside Gameloop. Select Call of Duty Mobile and press play. The game will launch on your PC and Gameloop will automatically guide you through the keyboard and mouse controls. Now, you can enjoy COD Mobile on a bigger screen with smoother gameplay and better controls. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.